Greetings everyone and welcome to our presentation of challenge number 1 of World Data League. We are IMS Power team and we have chosen to go with the waste production challenge. As we know, our main goal was to identify and analyze trends in the collection of waste in the city of Austin, Texas. For this, we had to look out for some additional datasets to help our investigation. So primarily we had the daily waste collection events data, which for this we had to add some more information. We look out for the labor and employment, then issued construction permits, also for weather history, and finally we had the help of the Google Trends.
So to understand the data, we had to do some exploration. So on the waste management. So first we noticed that in every year exists a gradual rise of waste collected, which is aligned with the growth of the Austin population. The type of load that generates the most waste is always garbage collection, and in second, it appears that is recycling, which has had a great improvement since 2008. It is also interesting to see that exists a drop-off site that receives most of the waste collected, with a big difference from the rest. Between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. is the period where most of the garbage is collected. Finally, we wanted to see if in average it was collected more garbage in the week, weekends, and holidays, where we found out that in the week is where the most of the garbage is collected, being Monday the day where the most waste is collected. We also did an exploration on the other data sets. For instance, we saw that the unemployment rate has been decreasing, with the exception of the COVID-19 pandemic period. Another interesting fact was that the number of licenses emitted for new constructions was positively correlated with economic cycles.
So our main proposition is interactive dashboard. It combines all of the insights from DDA that we've seen today, as well as the forecast of the waste, taking into consideration both the monthly progress for longer periods, 1 year plus, where we'll be able to understand the evolution as well as the impact of certain variables on our waste production. So we can analyze and create systemic changes to the waste collection and management MO. A brief overview of this forecast leads us to forecast using SARIMA model with exogenous variables, as we can successfully predict the future as well as the causes and impacts of each variable. We also have a daily forecast for shorter periods, where the managers can implement small changes to the routes and to take better control. Here we believe that the managers should follow the forecast of profit into consideration as it is the best performing, and daily analysis is less about what causes the changes as it is about what measures could we take into control. To conclude, our mission is to transform the data into value. So we transformed the data from multiple sources and created a product to make the analysis and interpretation of the results as easy as possible. Thank you for your time. Let's make this world a better place.